Hello my super babies, today I'm back and it's very late today. Our day has started very late. Actually, I was editing video in the morning, that's the problem. Today is going to be Osaka Castle and a little bit of shopping, I guess. So I'll take you around. Right now I've not eaten breakfast. It's 1 and it's time to hit McDonald's because that's just next to my hotel. So babies, this is the outfit of the day. I have made a complete video with all the details. Please check it in the description box. Eating McDonald's again for breakfast come lunch. 2 burgers I've taken because I'm really hungry. So I eat it fast and get back. So babies, we have reached the station which we have to get down for Osaka Castle. I will explain in detail how to come here. Hats off to all the bloggers actually. Only, I'm just reaching one destination with the help of blogs. And some bloggers have explained each and everything so good. So I'll also try to help if somebody ever comes here and watches this video of mine. It should be of some help. So I will tell in detail in some time. Just let me reach the destination. We are just stopped to rest our legs for some time at this small little pond, waterfall, whatever, fountain. I don't know why these people are standing here. Like, what may be the reason for such a big bheed? If you get lost anywhere, just ask the people out here. Take the trouble, don't hesitate, and seriously go and ask. They will help you no matter what. Even if they can't understand, they will take the trouble. They look up into their mobile, ask us to type it in English. They will help. Osaka Castle is one of the most beautiful castles in Japan and it is a must visit. Not only the castle is beautiful but all the way the journey is also very beautiful, especially in autumn. It looks so beautiful, mesmerizing. The construction of the castle started in 1583. The castle tower is now entirely modern on the inside and even features an elevator. This castle has a moat which you can see. It's a deep wide ditch surrounding a castle, fort or town typically filled with water and intended as a defense against attack. We didn't enter the castle as we were very tired by the time we reached. Now what I wanted to share with you is how to get to this place. Please check the description box for that. I will explain it there super well. Now we are on the way and the way is a climb. We are going to be climbing now. But I like this climb. Why? Because I think castle is really beautiful. We have to enter the gate and the castle is here. A long climb. Oh my god. It's really beautiful. The whole climb to this castle is totally worth it. It's not very hard also. It's just a small little climb, say about 1.5 kilometers. Once we reached the castle, I wasn't so fascinated with the castle because there was lots of food around the castle. Oh my god, I got completely diverted over there. So I just clicked a lot of pictures of the castle and ran to the food trucks. Loads of food trucks around, and it's a must to try something or the other from each truck because it's so tasty. Like, I really liked everything. And babies, in my vlogs I usually don't say a bye at the end of the video because at the end of the day I'm so tired, my hands are aching, I don't even have the strength to lift up the camera. That's what my halat becomes, and that's why I'm just like, thanks for watching. Finally This is pumpkin ice cream. Ooh la la. Ooh, mommy.
Ooh la la.
Wait, wait.
Thank you. Fried chicken.
How is it?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin? Huh? Let's taste pumpkin ice cream. Proper pumpkin ka taste. Not only there are lots of food trucks, there is even a souvenir shop which has really exclusive stuffs out there. You should check that also out. It's right in front of the food trucks. It's quite good. I like it.
Then she's put it on top.
So what have you taken?
Very spicy something chicken.
Okay.
Very spicy.
But nice?
Chili sauce.
Tasty? So let me try the Japanese chicken. This is supposed to be super spicy. I mean, we have taken this super spicy one. Oh my god. It's equally yum. One more please. This is called super spicy Japanese style chicken and I really like it. इतना भी spicy नहीं for our taste buds. It became spicy after some time. Lips is really burning. Tongue also. Damn spicy now it has become. Take the middle one for me, one of me. Yeah, that is awesome.
Thank you. Arigato.
One crab
One. Thank you.
and one this.
One. Thank you. Arigato.
Vanessa is eating.
How much?
900.
900. 900.
Yeah, 900.
Thank you. Arigato.
This one.
One. Thank you. 200 円。200ですね。
What are these things?
Thank you. ありがとう。少々お待ちくださいね。
Okay, that also hot bana raha hai.
What is this?
French fries. Potato.
I can try.
No, no, you can't. Drink your pagal.
French fry. Potato. French fry.
No,
So long potato.
fry?
No try.
Okay, fry. Potato fry.
So long potatoes.
I cannot try.
But he's kept it like this. तेरा भी गरम किया क्या?
हाँ.
Thank you.
Thank
Arigato.
you. And your thing.
Ooh la la. Crab.
See yours. How it looks.
Don't eat till I...
Two you told, huh?
One is
One में two आता है.
one में इसका. Thank you.
Thank you. Arigato.
Ooh. There's something sweet.
This place they will sit.
How is it?
Tastes like the same chicken we had yesterday.
Chicken, which chicken?
Or the
So this is what, lobster, no?
and crab.
Crab. No crabby taste? No? There's a lot of crab smell. It's really nice and it's quite crabby. Why are you not getting the taste? try the sweet stuff. Something different, very soft. Sweet.
I don't want this.
How is it?
Nice.
I'm sitting outside in the cold with all the luggage, and my mom is busy shopping, and I'm really feeling cold. I don't know when she'll come. As my periods is going to come anytime. I'm having severe back pain also. I'm just lying down there. I mean, I'm just sitting out here, but I hope I don't end up sleeping because I have a lot of responsibility, a lot of luggage with me. So freaking cold. It must be like 8 or 9. It's just 4:30 and it's already like dark, getting dark, and then sometimes it's gonna be pitch black and more cold. So babies, now I'll show you how I use the vending machine, and that's the way everyone should use. So let's begin. So we're going to take this one, and this is priced at 130 yen. You can see the price of it below. So take out 130 yen.
130.
So this is 130 yen, and you can see a slot bar over here. It's dark now, but yes, there's a slot, like you can put the coins here, put the coins there. And when you put, you can see the numbers changing over here. Over here. And then you
120 only has come.
then give one, maybe you, I don't know. Then you put one more. So it comes 130, and you press what you want. And it comes down. Voila! We took some sweet potatoes with honey and maple syrup. It's hot? How is it? Huh? Tasty?